husband's name is Alan, and we live in Alabama, and we sell apples.
Hey, my name is Alice, and my ex's name is Albert, and I live in Albuquerque, and I get alimony.
Hey, my name is Alice, and I work as an attorney for Applebaum, Bemschmick, and Cohen. And boy, do I have anxiety.
Hey, my name is Alice, and I live in an apartment, and I live in it alone, and it's kind of antiseptic. And my boyfriend's an accountant, and he's kind of antisocial. And I wanted to be an actress, but I couldn't get an agent, so I sell Avon.
Hey, my name is Alice, and my husband's name is Adam, and his girlfriend's name is Amy, and my lover's name is Abby. Now, her husband's name is Alan, and his boyfriend's name is Arnie. My analyst's name is Arthur, and we're working on my anger. We joined in all.